The fifth synovial joint is ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joints are a special class of synovial joints that have the highest freedom of motion in the body due to their unique structure. The shoulder and hip joints are the only ball and socket joints in the human body due to their need for great motion at the end of the body's limbs and vast amount of musculature needed to improve the support such flexible joints. Um, the two main components of the ball and socket joint are the bone with a spherical head and a bone with a cup-like socket. So this here's the spherical head, and here is like the cup-like socket. So this will go into there. The sixth and final synovial joint is a condyloid joint. The condyloid joint consists of an oval-shaped end of a bone. So, oval-shaped end of a bone. Yes, like that. That fits into a similarly shaped, oval-shaped hollow of another bone. So this will fit into this exactly, so you can see that. This is also sometimes called an ellipsoidal joint. This type of joint allows angular movement along the two axes, as seen in the joint here, which can move both side to side and up and down. So, in the wrist you can move your hands side to side, and this can be moved side to side, and it can be moved up and down. That's it with this. Now, what is an example of three types of muscles? So there are three types of muscles. There's a skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle. So, skeletal muscle, also known as straightened muscle, are involuntary muscles, which allows us to control them ourselves. These muscles are attached to our bones by tendons to help to produce movement. So, bicep is attached. So all our muscles, all skeletal muscles are attached to our skeleton, and their main function is basically to produce movement. Secondly, smooth muscle. Smooth muscle, also known as involuntary muscle, are muscles that we cannot control them ourselves. These muscles are controlled by involuntary responses from our brain and body. One example of a smooth muscle is the digestive system. So we don't control our stomach or our esophagus, that's controlled simply by the responses our brain and body send to it. The third and final muscle type is cardiac muscle. The cardiac muscle is also known as the myocardium. Like smooth muscle, cardiac muscle is involuntary, so that means that it controls itself. We cannot control it. This muscle has a thick layer of muscle due to the fact that it frequently pumps blood in and out of the heart. So the heart is the muscle, and it needs a thick layer of muscle due to the amount of work it does to pump blood around our body. So that's it. Cheers.